Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing my all-natural DIY hair growth mask recipe. Not only does this mask grow your hair, but it's extremely moisturizing, it softens your hair, and it also defines your curls. It's great for all hair types, and it's just full of such amazing ingredients. It has a base of avocado, aloe vera juice, then I put in castor oil, vegetable glycerin, and some rosemary essential oil. It's seriously amazing. I definitely recommend that you guys try this recipe because it will not disappoint. So I got most of my ingredients from Whole Foods, but they're super easy to get your hands on. But I'm just gonna go ahead and show you all exactly what I did. So first I scooped out one whole avocado, and I did use an organic one. And then I added 1 cup of aloe vera juice. You can use less than this if you want because this mixture does make a lot. And then I took my vegetable glycerin and I added 2 tablespoons. Vegetable glycerin is extremely amazing for your hair. It softens your hair, it moisturizes your hair, and it provides a lot of slip, so it's easy to detangle with this mask. Also, I took my castor oil, which is amazing for growing long, strong, and thick hair, and I added 2 tablespoons of that. Then I added about 5 to 10 drops of peppermint essential oil. Peppermint essential oil definitely stimulates hair growth, and it just feels so good on your scalp. So I poured everything into my Vitamix, and then I just blended it until it was smooth. And then once I got done, I just poured it through a strainer, and I did that because I didn't want any of those avocado chunks in my hair because they're super hard to get out. So I definitely recommend that you do this step. And then when you're done, you should have something that looks like this. It smelled amazing. There's no eggs or mayonnaise or any of that stinky stuff in it. So it was just really good. And I'm starting on an old wash and go. It's about a week old. And I'm just going to spray it down with some water and rosemary essential oil. And I'm just saturating it so the mask can apply a little bit easier. And then I'm just applying it from the ends of my hair to the roots of my hair. And I'm making sure that I do not miss any sections in my hair because I definitely want my hair to take in all of the nutrients that this mask provides. If you have thick hair like me, I definitely recommend sectioning your hair into smaller sections and like combing it through or finger raking it through your hair just to make sure it gets evenly distributed throughout your hair. This mask will definitely not disappoint. It's amazing. I'm telling you guys, you have to try it. And then when I was done, as you can see, my curls are so defined. I'm just putting my hair into 2 little buns, and that's usually what I do whenever I deep condition my hair. And then now I'm just putting the leftover mixture on my roots and in the back of my hair where it tends to get really dry. And don't forget your edges because your edges are super important and they need all the moisture they can get too. And then I'm just going to take my deep conditioning cap, and I sat under the dryer for about 30 minutes, but you don't have to do that. You can just sit for like an hour with it before you rinse it out. And this is after I rinsed it out of my hair. As you can see, my curls are super defined, super hydrated, and super shiny. I was just so happy with how it looked. I hope you guys try this recipe. Please let me know if you do and if you like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.